And we're back. So we've been looking at doing PHP IoT things with Minecraft, and the Minecraft part of it is done. Just to show you a little bit of a recap of what that is, we've got this funky looking circuit here, and we've got a door, and at the moment it's open. When we put it in a closed state, even though it's playing the open sound, which is a discussion I'll not get much into, we consider this a closed state. And when we open it, we get a whisper to us that says open, and when we close it, we get a whisper to us that says closed. And the point of all of that is to be able to set up an IRL alarm system for our in-game Minecraft house. So, how do we do that? At this point, we need to get a file system watcher, I think. So, let's have a look. What's in Packagist? So resource watcher I've used before. Unfortunately, it requires Illuminate support and Illuminate file system, which I remember and don't want to use. But Cartlist resource watcher. Is this a fork of the one I've just seen? Because the requirements are what's going on? Is this publicly available? Okay, so it is a fork. Anyway, I'd prefer something Symfony based. So this perhaps, even if it uses Symfony file system, or Finder, I guess. Just because it's a little bit lighter than the Jason Lewis one in terms of the dependencies I have to install. So this looks like a possible one to use. So what does this do? Every time you call find changes from Resource Watcher, you're getting changes produced by your file system. The resources changed can be recovered with these methods. So find changes, you would call in a loop, and then you would call something like get updated resources on a file that you expect has changed. That seems easy enough to do. Okay. So what do we need to do this? We'll just need to composer require this, because adding this to a composer JSON file is a hilarious instruction to give someone. Take Minecraft alarm. So let's composer require. Yes, it's interesting that it's done that. Ooh, wait a second. That's not right. Okay, I mean, it was trying to be helpful. I just ignored it, I guess. So, oh goodness, I hope this doesn't. Goodness, I hope this doesn't take forever. Minecraft alarm atom. You know what I've gone and done? I didn't do a dot. That's what I meant to do. Okay, come on then. Atom. Here we go. I have two windows opening up, and one of them I don't need, or want opened. Don't show all my secrets. Wow, it's really slow. I wonder if this is the Java that's running at the same time that's making this really slow. Let's try again. Also notice the viewers have dropped off dramatically. Maybe that's because I'm not doing Minecraft at this very second. Anyway, Composer seems like it's found it. That's good. Come on. Why so slow? Should be the right window though, finally. I don't think it's sized correctly though. Come on. I think this is because I've got the Minecraft stuff open and it's really struggling. Okay, so it's installing all that nonsense. That's good. Oh, no. Close that one. Why is this so slow? It's slow because I have Minecraft open. I mean, magically, close the Minecraft world and this works again. Maybe the Minecraft circuit has a memory leak. Maybe that's the case. Okay, it's got the resource watcher downloaded, which means I should be able to get going with it sometime this century. Okay, composer.json. I should see the Yo Symphony watcher package. There we go, that's there. Let's start this up. Index.php seems like a good place. Ooh, and require vendor autoload. Now, if you want to run this from elsewhere in your system, you probably wanted like --dir or underscore for vendor autoload. If I'm only going to run it from this directory, it doesn't really matter that much to me. And just to make sure everything's working, run it. And there's a bug. It's a good thing I checked because I need a slash there. There we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to get that resource watcher example code. And I'm going to try and run it. Okay. So it's running, it's checking all PHP files in the same folder. Let me remove this size check. And that seems fine. Now I need to check this in a loop. So while true, sleep 1, because I don't want to burn my system to the ground, find changes equals, and then the method I want here is updated resources. Okay, we'll print that out. Oh, let's not do that text selection. We'll print that out. We'll get rid of these calls here. We also don't need that call there. Okay, that seems reasonable. So let's run this and see what happens. We have the infinite loop. It's checking after each second. If I save there, it's telling me which files changed. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to target the server logs. Let's go to Finder, and I will keep it on the other window for now because I'm not sure what's going to pop up. Where is my Minecraft folder? There it is. Let me navigate into that and then bring this over here. Okay, logs. Lots of things over here, and then latest.log. So what's in here? Let's open this up. Oh, again with the dragging. Okay, you see here, at whispers to you, closed, open. That's the whispers that we're going to watch for. So let's see, because I'm too lazy to actually think of this. Nah, I mean, let me try something. ls library application support Minecraft. Okay, let's try my local folder. Library application support Minecraft logs. Okay. What if I set that? Because I'm the user that's going to be running this, so I can actually do that quite fine. The directory is going to be that. And the file is .log. Okay, so let's run the script. Oh, error. Invalid argument. Directory does not exist. Directory does not exist. Users Christopher library. Here we go. Okay, no changes. Let's go back into the map. At the cost of all my memory. Okay. The log changes to reflect the game state. However, we're not seeing any changes. That is, oh, there we see a change. I don't know what that change is. Anyway, if we open this, we're going to see a log change. And if we close it, we're going to see a log change. Okay, so let's close this. Oh, I closed Minecraft altogether. Okay, fine. It's not exactly what I wanted to do. I'll start it up again. Because now we are able to tell when this file changes. And we'll also be able to get the log data from it. So let's start Minecraft up again. Because I did actually want to run it in the background. I think maybe if I remove the texture pack, it's going to run a little bit faster. And that might be a good idea for now. Ugly as it'll look. Come on then. Let's remove the resource pack. Was it the 128 one I had loaded as well? That seems unrealistic for a MacBook Pro. Okay. So, what do we want to do? Let's get the lines. Let's see. The array that's returned is a list of files. Okay, so if count changes is greater than 0, first is changes that, lines is file first, print count lines. Okay, run that again. $38, $39, $40, $41. Okay. Let's see, how will we do this? For I is count lines, I is greater than -1, I minus. Oh, amazing! Because I want to count from the back of the file. Okay. If string in string, needle, so this will be chat, haystack is lines I, print lines I, break's fine. Okay, run it again. Run it again, Sam. Ooh, bug. Offset 50. try that again. I think I was one too much. What are these log messages? So let's do this and print a new line just to see what this log message is. So that runs it backwards. Is this haystack needle? Because dumb PHP. Bet it's haystack needle. There we go. Okay, so we can take this debugging away. And what we will do is if string in string lines. So if the current line contains closed, print closed. Also just print open. Well, I mean, let's do an explicit one for open. Open. Okay. It's reading the whole log. Let's not get too excited. I'm also not breaking out of this, which means it's reading the whole log. Okay, let's run it again. Oh, it's so confusing juggling all these windows. Okay. Closed. Open. You notice how the Minecraft window and the terminal are showing the same thing? Okay, let's change this command a little bit, because maybe we can whisper someone who's not here. Will this actually work? I have caps lock on. Anyway, this is going to say player not found. It's not whispering anyone, is it? Let's see. Where is my Chrome window? Do I keep closing them? No. Okay. Minecraft whisper server. Is there a specific server player I can whisper? Whisper to that player. Whisper server admin. Nah. I mean, it doesn't seem like something that's covered. So let's just change these back again. Assertchris. Oh, nuts. And this was the open block. Open. Okay, there we go. Let's try again. Open, closed. Now, if you have a player that's on the server just to be whispered to for these things, it makes it a bit easier. But consider this, okay? Using just the redstone and command blocks that are available using just the redstone blocks and command blocks that are available, in 1.9 of Minecraft, we've made a circuit that has a clock in it, and a command block that tests for a door being open and closed, and a logic gate with inversion, an OR gate with inversion, to tell us when it is open or closed. Then we went to Packagist and we looked for a script that would watch for changes in files, and we found this one. If I go to Composer.json from YoSymphony, it's pretty easy to set up. We point it to our logs directory, we say search for changed log files, and if it finds changes, get the only file that we know is changed, which is the log file, go through each line in reverse, and the first time it finds a chat line, if that chat line says closed, print closed. If that chat line says open, print open, and stop looking. So this will always return us the most recent chat message in the changed log file, which reflects what the game is telling us about whether this door is closed or open. And it's pretty snappy. I mean, we could decrease this timer check, right? We could say 0.1, for instance. If we change this timer back to 0.1, see how snappy it gets? Oh, it missed one. It seems to actually miss it. I wonder if there's some kind of race condition on. But we can leave it at 1. There's no harm in having it slightly delayed. We've managed to do Minecraft circuitry and connect it to a PHP script, and we've got it reflecting changes. Yay! So tomorrow I will have hopefully a separate camera that I can point down at some circuitry to explain what it's doing. But what I'm going to do in tomorrow's show is I'm going to set up an Arduino and a buzzer and connect it to my USB hub, I guess, and have the Arduino IDE and wire it up so that I can send it a signal through PHP, and it will put the buzzer on and off. And then I'll connect that to the script that I've set up here and have a buzzer go off when someone opens a door in Minecraft world, which I think is pretty cool. That is all we're going to do today. So thank you for being here. If you've been here, 1 or 2 folks have been through all the way through, and thank you very much for that. Come back tomorrow if you want to see an Arduino version of this and the completed project, and then look out for the articles in SitePoint in 1 or 2 weeks time. They should hit there as well if you want a more refined approach where I do less chicken slaying and Googling. Thanks for being here. I'm going to go. Bye.